Good morning everyone. We've got a wet day today. We're out on our morning walk and everyone's sporting a different look. So we've got Harry in camouflage, Ruby in racing lurcher, Sam in a black velvet smoking jacket. Oh dear. Connie! And Connie's hood has come over her face. Oh dear! You couldn't see, could you? Connie's got a bit too chubby for her raincoat, haven't you? Oh dear. I think some of these designer kits are definitely not designed for the Welsh weather. Look at you. Oh dear. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Start to your day. And if it's soggy with you and you're outside, then put your big smile on and sing that song. We're singing in the rain. We're singing in the rain. What a wonderful day. Something like that. I don't remember how it goes. We're happy again. Poppy, I won't be happy if you roll in something. Oops. This is the Labrador. The Labrador in Poppy wants to roll in everything. What is it you're rolling in? Come on, come on, come on, Connie. Come on, Connie with the hood. You're looking a bit dishevelled. I think we'll have to see if we can advise on some better winter wear. What do you think? Hey, should we have a chat with your mum? Right. Have a wonderful day, everyone. From me and all the pack.